Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge in a slow cooker. First, gather all your ingredients, such as chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and butter, to ensure a smooth process. Using a slow cooker provides gentle, consistent heat, which is perfect for melting. Remember to line your pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for effortless removal later on. This simple preparation makes the entire fudge-making experience much easier. Now, let's get melting. Add your chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and butter directly into your slow cooker. Set the temperature to low, allowing the ingredients to melt slowly and evenly. This gentle heat prevents scorching and ensures a creamy texture. Stir the mixture every 15 to 20 minutes, making sure everything is well combined and smooth. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect fudge consistency. Once your base ingredients are fully melted and smooth, it's time to add some flavor. Remove the slow cooker insert from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you like, now is also the perfect moment to fold in any optional mix-ins, such as 1/2 cup of chopped nuts or mini marshmallows. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly distributed. This ensures every bite of your fudge is packed with deliciousness. With your fudge mixture complete, carefully pour it into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan in the refrigerator and allow the fudge to chill for a minimum of 2 hours or until it is completely firm. Once set, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the fudge out of the pan. Cut it into desired squares, and your delicious, easy slow cooker fudge is ready to enjoy. It's a simple treat everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.